Hello everyone and good afternoon. Welcome to the first Attractions Hub vlog of 2026. I'm here at Scarotts Valentines Fair, Unlimited Funpark. Here we go. First ride in the afternoon. Scarotts Orbiter at Tivoli Orbiter. Here we go. See how this goes. Here we go. Woo! Let's go! Oh, fucking hell, okay. Whoa! Fucking hell, okay. Woo! First ride of the day! Whoa, okay. Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Fucking hell! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Whoa! Fucking hell! Right, so we just come off Scarotts Tivoli Orbiter. How was that? That was insane, wasn't it? That was so good. I'd say for my first ever Tivoli Orbiter, that was impressive. Very, very impressive, don't you think? Yeah. That is so good, so good. Well, what ride do you think we'll do next?
He wants to walk first.
Yeah, that's fine.
Killed him.
Yeah.
Three cup next.
Yeah. Or maybe Midnight Express. Midnight Express, maybe?
Yeah, Midnight Express.
Right.
Why don't we do Midnight Express? Yeah. I'll do the front.
Woo, bloody hell, that was insane. That was crazy. Right, so again, like I said in the POV, welcome to my first vlog of 2026 at the Valentines Fair in Willen Lake in Milton Keynes. Woo, right, that was insane. Woo. See you guys on the next ride. Right, so here we are on Midnight Express, a Matterhorn. Looking forward to this?
Yep.
Yeah, I am. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't think I've done this one before, so bread, I guess, brand new bread. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm trying to talk over the music so I don't go copyrighted. Copyright, no, yikes. Yeah, let's go! What was like airtime for floater airtime? No, not good. Woo! Oh yeah, it is so cold! What's happening? It's so cold! I can't actually feel my hands.
Back now, he keeps hitting on the back.
Oh god!
Rough.
Fuck! Oh man! Woo! Whoa! Jesus Christ!
I think this bike would also go backwards as well.
Oh! Imagine that, yeah. Backward cycle. Whoa!
I'm not sure what it's like.
Okay, okay, now we're going on stage! Bloody hell, mate. Jesus Christ.
So,
Ooh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh no, mate, please. Oh, is that it? Oh, mate. Oh, man. So, I think that's it. Sad.
not the one I thought it was. Really.
Yeah, oh well. Yeah, see when we come up the road. Right, so we've just done Midnight Express. That was mental, that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, real shame we didn't get like a backward cycle, but hey, it was a good ride though, wasn't it?
Very good. Actually.
Very good ride, very good ride. So my hands are freezing cold, I can't feel them. Oh god. Oh yeah. Looks like real good dodgers. Right. Yeah, crazy. I don't know to be honest, but yeah, whew, bloody hell, that was insane. 2 rides in, I was like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, 2 rides in, I think I need a little break from 2 rides in. Right, so I think we're gonna have a bit of a break now, and we'll see you on whatever ride we do next.
Impressive pedal and turn the wheel.
Alright, here we go. Whoa! On the Dodgers. That was a bit of an epic fail at the start, but hey ho. Here we go, dodging time. Woo. Hey, dodging time, dodging. Woo. Oh yeah, that's bumpy. Hey. Yeah. Dodger. Oh, turn the wheel. Oh, way. That's bumpy. Bloody hell, that was bumpy. Ah! Yeah, look, guys, we're still driving all the way around. Oh. Woo. That was the Dodger. That was bumpy as hell. Right. See you when we come off.
Trying to dodge you guys, and then dodge her as well.
Right, so we've just come off the dodgems. I gotta say, that's probably the most bumpiest dodgems I've ever done.
Yeah. That middle, it was just middle section. I don't know what it was.
It was like so bumpy.
I hit it and I started bumping.
Yeah, I was like, so funny. That was insane.
I think we started when we get now.
Yeah, so what you guys fancy doing next? Fancy getting something to drink or eat? Because I need something to eat. Yeah, I am.
Destined to go on that bad boy.
Oh boy, Woo. Right, that was insane.
I mean, it is running, so we might have to get something to put in and whatnot.
Right, so looks like we can get something to eat. See you guys in a bit. Right, here we go on Chaos. Brand new freak out. Here we go, KG freak out time. Let's go. Hey, oh, hello.
It's power.
Whoa,
It's just power.
KG power.
That's it, yeah.
Whoa, fucking hell, okay.
Shit. No, I'm already done. Stop it now.
You haven't even got going yet. Fucking hell. Hey, yeah, YouTube, yeah. Attractions Hub. Check me out. Attractions Hub. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, I'm so dizzy right now. It's taking the piss. Oh.
Woo. Here we go.
Teaser, look. Teaser.
Hey. Now we're off. Hey.
Oh, it's a win.
Whoa. Fucking hell. Whoa. Bloody hell.
Oh.
Fucking hell. Whoa. Jesus.
That's quick.
Whoa. Fucking hell. What?
Oh.
Right. Fucking hell. Whoa. Airtime. Fucking hell. Whoa. Fucking hell.
Stay on, mate.
Whoa. Oh my god. Fucking hell. That's powerful. Whoa. Whoa. KG power. Way. Woo.
I'm not trusting my beanie anymore.
Whoa. 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 Jesus Christ. Oh.
Yeah, I'll get you on. I'll come back on again.
I think I found a new #1 freak out.
Fuck yeah.
Oh. Holy shit.
That's when it started.
Wow. That was Chaos. KG freak out. If you haven't experienced this freak out yet, fucking experience it. It is so good. Best freak out I've done. Wow. See you when we come off. Right, so me and Jake just came off Chaos freak out. Holy shit.
God.
I think I found the new #1 freak out.
That is stupidly powerful.
Yeah, KMG power to a T. KMG power to a T. It's very rare that I game over after an intense drive. I feel like I'm about to game over.
Still recovering.
Yeah, still recovering. Bloody hell. I mean, it was so good though, weren't it? Such a good freak out. Well, KMG power is insane. The power is mental. Right, so I think me and Jake are going to have a break whilst Lewis goes on the frogs.
The frogs, baby.
Yeah, the frogs. Right, see you in a bit. Right, so yeah, this has probably been like the shortest Funfair vlog I've ever done, even though it's the first vlog of the year. Yeah, it has come to the end of our time at the Valentines Fair here at Willen Lake, Milton Keynes, and it was such a great fair, wasn't it? But trouble is, it's just too cold. It's too cold. And I mean, don't get us wrong. We have had a great time, but I just think what's like sort of like killed it for us is the cold weather. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Sorry that there wasn't a lot of footage in the vlog. I didn't film as much as I would have liked to, but like I said, weather was too cold. So anyways, if you guys have enjoyed the first vlog of the year, don't worry, there'll be many more to come for sure. But anyways, if you have enjoyed it, leave it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more, and stay tuned for plenty more content to come in the future. So thanks for watching. I'm cold, we're cold.
Yep.
And and hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and all that jazz, and don't forget, keep living, keep laughing, keep riding. See you guys in the next video very soon. Take care guys. Wow.